Hi, it's Dana. I'm the manager at Merz Apothecary and the shops at Merz on Lincoln Avenue in Chicago, Illinois. Today we're coming to you with a video sharing some of my favorite tips and tricks on how to shop for makeup and buy makeup when you can't try it on, you can't use testers or get your makeup done. I'm going to go through some of my favorite products now as demoed by Kim and Grace Ann, who are swatching and trying the products on their face. Things that textures, tones work on almost everybody that you don't need to necessarily try on to know that they're gonna look good. First is this palette from Clove & Hollow, which is one of the natural cosmetic brands that we carry, and I love this palette because it's got lots of just warm, rich undertones that work on a variety of skin tones from fair, medium to deep. Cooler, icier undertones and things like shadows and blushes can be really tough. You know, on a medium, deeper skin tone, they might appear ashen, they might appear too icy, so you definitely want to try them on. These tones work on everybody. And I love this palette because you can use it on eyes and cheeks. So you can use the colors to shade and highlight your eyes, but you can also use the lighter shimmery tones to do a cheek highlight, nose highlight, inner tear duct highlight, so super multi-purpose. You could even throw some of these on as like a quick blush. It's really, really easy, and the colors are buttery soft. In a pinch, you can even use your finger. Really, really nice. Second product I love for these times is the Ilia Multi-Stick, especially in this color. It's called a Fine Romance. These type of colors that have, it's pink, it's rosy, but there's a depth of pigment there that again works on a variety of skin tones, and you'll see. Whether it's Grace Ann, she can like sheer it out, she's fair, sheer it out on her lips and cheeks for just like that kind of inner flush, like natural rosy glow. But we can also layer the pigment and build it up on Kim's skin tone, and it will definitely show through, you know, it'll definitely contrast enough. So you can still do these like rosy pinky colors, just with a little bit more of depth of pigment to them. And this is a great product just to like carry around with you, travel with, or just to do a little bit of color on the cheek and the lip. It's hydrating, it melts into the skin, no matter if you have dry skin, oily skin, it wears fine, it's great. This is Ilia, the Multi-Stick in a Fine Romance. And then lastly, I love these demi-matte lipsticks from Ritual des Filles. This color Carnal is great. It's very mid-tone. When I say that, it's gonna give enough color. It's sort of like a mid-tone nude on somebody like Grace Ann that has maybe a more fair skin tone. And it's this really amazing dusty rose on somebody like Kim that has a little bit more of like a deeper golden skin tone. So you'll see how it can work as a neutral that's maybe more rosy and a deeper skin tone, but sort of mauvey, like a mauvey mid-tone nude on a lighter skin tone. You don't even need to try this on. It's seriously one of those colors. It's medium toned. It works on everybody. And the texture is really, really buttery. Again, put it full on, pair it with a lip liner, or just like use your finger, pop it in the center of your lip for like a little bit of a stain. Like I said, these are demi-matte lipsticks, so they wear really, really well with nothing synthetic, no silicones. Gotta love it. Again, I'm Dana, store manager at Merz Apothecary and the shops at Merz in Chicago, Illinois. Hope you're re-inspired by this video to try some makeup, even though we can't try things on. Hope you learned some tips and tricks. And again, we're always here to help with consultations here at Merz Apothecary. Stay safe, stay well.